Alright guys, so we're in a basement of a eyeglass place, and we got to snake out the drain in the basement here. It goes to the front of the building, but I believe the blockage is going to be within about 20 feet, just for the fact that there is a floor drain just over 20 feet away, and it is fine. So let's run the 5/8 cable and see what we find. This is the drain here. Obviously this is the toilet. And flush the drain. Let's see, it's coming up. There it goes. That's 7.5 feet. That's the first cable. That's 15 feet. So we're hooking up another 2 cables, which will be a total of 30 feet. So that's where the blockage was. I was going through it. That's 15 feet there. So I was wrong. It was only about 17 to 18 feet. We're gonna continue putting, actually no, we're gonna pull it out and see if we got anything, because there's that one guy that said I shouldn't keep pushing it in. So I didn't get nothing. So I guess what we'll do then, we'll just continue stinking. Trying to get a good angle. Hold on. Hold your horses. What do you think? Is that a better angle? Kind of. Listen. Here we go. Alright, we'll give it another flush. Sounds good. See? No water. Everything's holding. Everything's draining. Alright. Guys, thanks for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I don't know. Leave your TikTok account if you have one, and I will see if I can follow it. And if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, if you look up Jay, that drain guy, you'll find me.